Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
I want to welcome you all most warmly to Uganda, for those who are not Ugandans, and I want to welcome Ugandans to this conference. It is exciting to know that we have professionals and great minds from this region gathered here today to use this one opportunity to brainstorm on a very important factor that has the power to transform our world as we know it. First, I must confess that the theme of your conference is intriguing, because curriculum development being your mandate gives you the authority to shape the direction of your world. Indeed, you are creators with God because you have been given the single most important component of God's creation to serve, namely the children of any nation. I have given a go-ahead for the review of the curriculum for our primary school level of education next financial year, with the support from the Global Partnership for Education. This curriculum needs not only to be enriched with contemporary knowledge and information, but also to make it enjoyable for both teachers as well as learners. And this can be done by making it lean through removing obsolete content, enriching it with the teaching of values and age-appropriate skills to learners in a learner-centered manner. The season we are in of reviewing our basic and secondary education curricula is unique for our country. For the first time as a country, we are reviewing the entire curricula used in our basic and secondary education levels. And as you very well know, the review of curricula at these levels subsequently demands that the teacher training and development curriculum is also reviewed, and this will also be done.
About the outlook globally, before we start from doing an introspection, can we get to look at what we are doing ourselves? I'm kindly requesting the others that I did read, our keynote speakers, will let Mama depart.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.